Hi, boys and girls. So, for yesterday, Tuesday, you boys and girls went back to your family writing, and you boys and girls just checked to make sure you had capital letter, punctuation, read it out loud to see if it made sense, and then finally, you also put a conclusion sentence in. I put boys and girls, as you can see, my immediate family is small. We enjoy each other's company and we love spending time together. So that was my conclusion sentence to just wrap everything up. So, boys and girls, a lot of you think maybe you're done, but we can add two more things that we will work on for um, Wednesday and Thursday this week. Okay, boys and girls? So for Wednesday and Thursday, this is going to be for 2 days. You boys and girls are going to be adding one more part to your writing pieces. If you go back to your writing, I noticed a lot of you boys and girls were repetitive, meaning that you kept saying the same thing over and over again, which is fine, but we want to make our writing even better. So if you notice here, Miss Laspiza has her hook where I captured your attention. And then I explained who was in my immediate family. You did the same thing, boys and girls. But then around here, it's the same thing over and over again. My husband, my husband, my husband. A lot of you said, my mom, my mom, my mom, my mom's favorite, my mom's favorite, my mom's favorite. Again and again and again. Now, how do you think as a writer we can make it more interesting and different? What kinds of words can we add to show change or differences? Begins with a T. Does anybody remember? You use them when you tell a story again or when you boys and girls were doing your opinion pieces. Do you remember that? Ooh, I think I heard somebody say it. Uh-huh. Yep, yep, I heard somebody. Transition words. Can you say transition words? Nice job, friends. Transition words here. Excellent. So transition words for your informational piece, boys and girls here. We did this in the beginning, which is capturing the reader's attention. So you can always use these transition words when you're doing your writing here, okay? I'm going to leave this as a part of your Google Classroom. So what I would do as a good writer is I would have this up next to my writing so I can look back and see, okay, what transition word can I include in my writing here, boys and girls? So I'm going to say, since I'm starting with Vinny, I'm going to say to begin with, okay? You can say to start first, okay, boys and girls? This here is to provide examples throughout your writing. So if you were to say here, my mom's favorite food is steak, okay? And then if you want to give an example of what kind of steak she likes or add more detail here, you can say, my mom's favorite food is steak. In fact, she loves her steak medium well. Okay, boys and girls? So what I want you to do for Wednesday and Thursday this week is I want you to go back on Wednesday. I'm going to put this in your directions. Wednesday, I want you to focus on mom and dad. And I want you to just add some transition words in there. Thursday, I want you to focus on if you have pets and siblings. And then what we'll do is we'll revisit it again on Monday to finish up our places, boys and girls. So in Miss Laspiza's writing here, I'm going to add transition words. I'd like you to do the same, boys and girls. So if I'm going to say here, boys and girls, again, I'm going to keep my writing next to it so that way it can help me. I'm going to say to begin with. Okay. And then we know that this is not the middle of the sentence, so I have to have a lowercase letter. My husband has his own business where he installs alarm systems, camera systems, fire systems into buildings. Okay. Also, my husband likes the color red. In fact, he likes red so much that he decided to paint one of our rooms read in our house. Okay, that is how I'm going to incorporate some of these transition words so we can see. Also, in fact, now again, you're not underlining it here, but Miss Lespies is just showing you where her transition words are. Okay, boys and girls? So this is what you are going to work on for Wednesday and Thursday this week. Okay, friends? Again, you can use the transition words I gave you. You can use other transition words such as also, next. Okay, next is a great one. Okay, as a matter of fact, again, I'm going to leave some list transition words here for you. So, boys and girls, again, this week, Wednesday and Thursday, transition words. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.